Hello everyone. Today we will learn resource conservation lesson 1 class 10. In this lesson we will learn the topics what are resources, challenges in conservation, need for conservation and resource planning. The our first topic is what are resources? Resources are everything available in the environment that satisfies our needs and for which the technology is available to produce it and which is economical, feasible and culturally acceptable. Our second topic is need for resource conservation. There are many types of problems due to non judicious use and overuse of resources. Such problems are social, economic, and environmental problems. Our resources are being wasted due to some greedy and selfish individuals. Due to these use, the society has been divided into two parts, resource rich and resource poor. Due to reckless exploitation of resources, the global ecological crisis has risen. Its example global warming, ozone layer depletion, environmental pollution, and land degradation. Modern technology is also responsible for the excessive use of resources. Another reason is the increase in population is a bottleneck in the resource conservation. Our next topic is resource planning. What is resource planning? Resource planning means the arrangement of judicious use of resources. It is necessary to use resources wisely and on a sustainable basis. Resource planning is even more necessary in India because there is uneven distribution of resources. There are some states in India where there is abundance of resources, while there are some states where there is a shortage of resources. The provinces Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, etc. have abundant deposits of coals and minerals. Water resources are abundant in Arunachal Pradesh, but basic development is lacking there. In Rajasthan, there are reserves for wind and solar energy, but there is shortage of water resources. Ladakh, the cold desert in India, is rich in cultural heritage, but lacks water and vital minerals. That's why there is a need for balanced resource planning at national, provincial, territorial, and local levels in India. On the basis of above facts, it is concluded that due to lack of technology in some areas, resources have not been used properly. That's why, despite being rich in resources, some states are backward. Now we will learn resource planning at different steps. The first, the strategy of proper utilization of resources is called resource planning. The first, the surveys are conducted to identify resources. Then, list of resources are prepared available in the country. The third step is resources are qualitatively and quantitatively estimated. These resources are marked on the map. Develop appropriate technology, skill, and institutional planning work, then striking a balance between development plans and national development plans. Systematic efforts are conducted for resource planning. Not only at national level but also at international level, systematically efforts have been done to conserve resources. In 1948, the Club of Rome favored resource conservation. In 1974, Schumacher, in his book Small is Beautiful, incorporated Gandhiji's ideas. In 1987, the Brundtland Commission report emphasized resource conservation and the concept of sustainable development was introduced. The report was later published as a book called Our Shared Future. In June 1992, an Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil was organized in more than 100 national presidents participated in it. Also, G20 is also an. The objective of Earth Summit was to solve the problem of environmental protection and socio-economic development in the world. The aim was also to have sustainable development in the world. Aim was also to tackle environmental damage, poverty, and disease on a global scale. It's aimed to emphasize social interest and mutual needs. To accomplish the objective, Agenda 21 prepared by local bodies. This was an action list that contained important steps to protect the environment. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.